Hi, this is Sue from Twin Ponds. Another thing that we're doing this year is having you so you can order online an herb container kit. And in the kit you will get 3 types of herbs. Here I have thyme, oregano, and sage. And you'll get a bag of soil and you'll get a container. Now your container may vary, and you can see there are holes on the bottom of these ones too. It's always important to have drainage. The container may vary, but we're going to try and work with the terracottas. And the herbs may also vary in which ones but there is a section on the order form so that you can request a certain herb, and if we have them, we'll give them to you. There's also all our herbs that are on the line. But what we're going to do is include 3 herbs in a container and a soil so that you guys can plant some up at home on your own time during this quarantine time. A great project for the kids if they want to watch the herbs grow. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this container. So you're going to get some soil and pick a spot where you could get a little messy, and you want to fill up your container with some soil, maybe about that high. All right, because these are a little young. Save your tags, don't lose them. And what I do is I'm going to put the thyme on the side, and you can tell that these guys are just getting their roots coming out in the bottom here, so they're still a little young. I don't want to disturb it too much. I'm going to put that to the side there, kind of pinch the soil around it. I'm going to take my sage. This is like a culinary type herb container because all this stuff you would use in cooking. And then lastly, my oregano. And there's plenty of room in this container for all 3 plants. So you can see there is plenty of soil now, and that's all planted up already. So you actually have a little extra here. And then I'm going to place my tags in the proper right in front of the plant, so as I watch it grow, I know what is what. And it's always important to kind of clean up after yourself, right? So there you have your herb container ready to put on your windowsill and watch it grow. All right, so if you like something like that, go to our online shop, which is at twinpondsgreenhouses.com, and you'll see shop and you'll see these on there. Thank you.